To what extent has India's growth story been reflected in the development of its infrastructure?
I think India is on a threshold of a big leap jump as far as infrastructure development is concerned, and highways as a sector in it is likely to outperform in the years to come. I think India has lagged behind a lot in highway development, but since last 4-5 years it has started catching up quite a lot and would be a significant economic driver in the years to come.
So there's still huge potential for new developments?
Yes. Out of the 3.3 million kilometers of highway network that the country has, not even 1% of that is a 4-lane network. So we believe that we have not even scratched the surface as regards the highway development is concerned. And considering the fast growing economy, we surely now deserve a very strong, good infrastructure as far as highways are concerned. And India is surely moving towards that.
IRB has emerged as a leading player in India's roads and highways sector. What have been the landmarks in the company's development?
IRB is the first company to bag a toll road project in the country way back in '95. And by now we have 16 concessions with us. And a few of the large concessions in the country belong to IRB, which would constitute the Bombay-Pune Expressway or the entire length of highway between Mumbai and Bharuch in Gujarat, and now spanning across 6 states. I think these concessions on a public-private partnership basis would contribute a lot in terms of the economic growth. These assets are now being developed into either a 4-lane or a 6-lane highway network, and we believe this would be the platforms for growth in the years to come.
So what are the highlights amongst your current projects?
The Golden Quadrilateral is the highway network connecting the 4 metros, and IRB has now bagged almost 10% of the highway length of this corridor and would be with IRB for almost next 20-25 years. So this would be contributing a lot in the development of the country in terms of developing this network.
Now, India's infrastructure development depends on 5-year plans drawn up by the government. What can we expect from the next 5-year plan due to begin in 2012-2013?
I think there is a significant change that we see in the planning process now, and from 3% of the GDP that India used to contribute towards infrastructure development, now they have improved the targets to almost 9% of the GDP being deployed for infrastructure development as far as the budgetary support is concerned. That would be a significant value add to take these projects further. As far as roads are concerned, there is already a identified plan running into 7 phases, and to our understanding, in next couple of years, India would be awarding almost $70 billion worth of projects in the road sector on a public-private partnership basis. So we see a huge opportunity here, and there would be a tremendous growth that we would be witnessing as far as highway development in the country is concerned.
So how would you summarize the way forward for IRB?
IRB, I think, is poised to grow its portfolio on the road side going forward. We see a huge opportunity unfolding in front of us, and at this point we would like to remain completely focused on developing and growing this portfolio in the road sector. We would surely like to look at other opportunities, but for the next 5 years at least, we would like to remain completely focused on highway development, given the opportunity size that we see in the market today.